Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 20. So we literally have 5 more days left, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, which is insane. Super excited, but that's not what I came to tell you guys. Trying to figure, okay, that's good. Anyway, I finished my sweater. I literally just finished. I didn't want to record because it was just the ribbing and it was really unnecessary. You guys saw me do the ribbing on the other sleeve anyway, so that was not needed. But this is the sweater. I don't even know if you guys can see. Oh, ta-da! I'm so excited. I can't believe I finished this. This is my first DK weight sweater. My first sweater it wasn't in a round, it was knitted flat, so this was a very new experience for me and I'm super proud of myself. I did the 9-inch circular needles for the sleeves, of course, and I freaking love it so much. So I'm going to try it on so you guys can see how it looks on me. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Ta-da! I'm going to literally block the sweater as soon as I finish showing you guys how it looks, but this is how it looks. I'm so happy with how it came out. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The sleeves, perfect. I'm literally in love. I'm in love. I am in love. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the sweater, and now I'm blurry, and now I'm going to block it so my ribbing isn't curly anymore. And then after that I'm going to show you guys the yarn I'll be using for my next project. And then I don't know what else I'll have in this vlog, but as for the sweater, that's literally done. When I first started my vlog, like Vlogmas day 1, I was literally on a first increase. I had my gray collar and then like maybe like 5 rows, and that was it. So I literally completed this entire sweater in this Vlogmas, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Are you kidding me? Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go block this sweater. I'll show you guys everything, but it'll be like a time lapse. I'm not gonna talk. I just want to show you guys the process, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll show you guys how it looks after it's been blocked. So I'm going to stand up so I can do a side-by-side comparison, so when I do block it, you guys can see the difference. So I'll have it curly like this so you guys can see. But anyway, let me go block that, but super excited. Okay, bye. Okay guys, now that is, like, I don't want to say it's blocking, but you know, now that that's soaking, I'm going to show you guys the yarn I'm going to be using for my next project. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Drops Air. this green and blue. My sisters used this for their Louisiana sweater and they had leftovers, which was perfect because I'm going to be starting the It's Not a Sweatshirt sweater. And let me show you guys how it looks. I showed you guys before, but I know you guys probably forgot. So let me pull it up real quick. It's not a sweatshirt. Okay, so this is how it looks. That's how it looks. So that's what I'm going to make with this yarn, and I'm super excited because this will be my first time doing German short rows. I don't know how to do it. I've never done it before, and most of the sweaters that I want to make by Petite Knit has German short rows, so I want to learn how to do that. And so this sweater is really like a trial run, because after I finish the sweater, I'm going to make another one with this yarn. I think I'll do it with this yarn, and I got this either when we were in Vegas or maybe Santa Monica. I'm not sure when I got it, but I got it when we were traveling around earlier this year. So I'm going to probably use these for the It's Not a Sweatshirt sweater number 2. But I'm using this leftover yarn, so just in case I mess up, I'm not like wasting good yarn that I would want to use for other projects. So that's what I'll be making with this. And I love stripes. I think we all know that by now. So I think I'm going to do like 3 big stripes. So maybe I'll start off with blue and have that like go all the way halfway, and then green, and then blue for the rest. So I think I'll do that for all of the what? I'll do that for the body. And I literally just thought about it, and then I might just do a solid color for the sleeves and change the ribbing. So let's say it's like blue, green, blue, then a sleeve would probably be like blue, cuff, green, and then green, cuff, blue. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I've never done something like so weird like that before. So hello, Sue just walked in. So I think I'm going to do that with this yarn, and I'm super excited. I'm really nervous because I've never done German short rows, so I don't even know like how to apply it in a sweater. But I'm ready for the challenge because after I learned German short rows, like I literally would know how to basically do all sweaters except like raglan. I've never done raglan either. I'm really new to knitting, so I have a lot to learn, but I'm super excited to learn all of it, and I'm super excited to make the sweater. So I'm going to start it in Vlogmas now. Like I'm gonna block this sweater, and I'll probably start it tomorrow. I'll give myself a break for the rest of the day, and I'll definitely start the sweater tomorrow most likely, or maybe tonight. I'm not sure. My sister Kahila, she wants to watch Hamilton, so we might watch Hamilton tonight, and then I'll probably start knitting it. I don't know. I'm really excited to use it because it's chunky too. So I'm using a size 7mm needle. That sounds weird to say because usually I say like 7mm hook. But I'll be using a 7. Is it 7mm or 7-inch? No, it's not 7-inch. 7mm. Anyway, you guys get what I'm saying. So I'm super excited for that. And I'll definitely be starting it tomorrow for sure. I don't know what I'm going to do like for the rest of the day because I don't feel like knitting anymore. Like my hands aren't tired, but I just want to get a break. So I'll probably read, watch YouTube videos, something like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I have leftover yarn from my sweater. This is all the yarn I have left over, so I'll probably like, I still have these 2 haven't even been touched. The gray, used the mess out of that. Then I have the green, this green, and then this green. So we'll definitely do some type of giveaway to give all these yarns away, so you guys can have that, because I'm not going to use it. I really don't care to do scrap projects, so that's why I just give yarn away. And I'll probably have leftover Drops Air yarn as well, so we'll probably give that away too, but that'll be like in January, because I don't know when I'll finish this, but I'll try and finish this fast, because since it's chunky, I'm going to like fly by. But this sweater literally took me, the sweater I just finished, it took me, I started it like the end of November, and it's December 20th, so it took me that long, but that was like on and off, on and off, on and off. So I would say it took me 3 weeks to make, like, completely. And I could have finished sooner, but I was just chilling, not really caring to finish fast because I had no deadline really. So I literally could spend all month making it, all next month making it if I wanted to, but I kind of wanted to finish this month so I could start on It's Not a Sweatshirt, because I'm super excited for that. But now that is all I have to say, and honestly, yeah, that rest of the video might be time-lapse until my advent. I have no idea, but since I already talked for 6 minutes and then my advent will be like 3 minutes alone, I'll say I'll maybe have a few more clips and then advent, and then it's time to end the video. So yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Bye. Hello everyone. My sister came bearing gifts for me, which I knew eventually will happen. Okay, she gave me 2 sweater quantities of yarn. So these, there, I have these. What kind of setting do I have? Okay, anyway, so she gave me these. So pretty. Then this. So beautiful. This one is so pretty. So it's these 4 together. And then she gave me these 4. So pretty. So I just made space. Oops, I just made space. Right here I had that yarn there. So now I have space for the new home. Hello.
Hello. I came to see the sweater quantity.
So beautiful.
Ooh, look at this.
Alright.
It's so nice. And this one?
All of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Jeez. Put this together, please.
I know.
Oh my gosh. You got a whole wait, no, that's not it. You gotta wait. Okay,
it's something like that. Okay, guys. No, it isn't me. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna call it a day. I need to fix this setting. Like, what is it doing? But it's advent calendar time.
What is going on here?
So I'm gonna show you guys yesterday's on. Hold on, I'm just showing them yesterday's. So this was yesterday's on, so you guys can, you know, see whatever. So that's how it looks. And now I'm gonna wait for her to, you know, whatever, and then I'll open it.
I can't hear you.
So day 20.
Alright,
Let's go.
we're closing our eyes.
Okay.
We'll count to 3. Okay. We can pull it out, but we'll count to 3.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so tempted right now. Me too.
Alright, I have it out.
I want to open it. Well, I said we'll count to 3. We'll count to 1. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Oh! I'm so underwhelmed. Okay, I like this because it actually fades.
Oh
God. It's actually fading. At least
Yeah,
mine
I
is.
guess.
Are y'all fading?
Yeah.
I mean,
Mine
yeah,
is
white.
fading.
Yeah.
My yellow yesterday was
like
white,
yellow,
with like pink, little pink.
It literally looks
more
the
blue
same.
Speckles. Yeah.
It
I'm
literally
so
looks the
underwhelmed.
same.
I
This
guess
was
yellow's the
yesterday's.
next one.
This is today's. Yeah, I'm guessing yellow because I see a lot of yellow. That's how it looks. It's pretty. It's just white. I'm not a fan of white, so I don't really care for white, but it's the ending of this advent anyway, so I honestly don't care what these colors look like. I like the beginning up till day 9. So I never really cared what happened after that, but it's nice. But that's day 20. But anyway, that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget, oh gosh, to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one, which is tomorrow. Bye.